Do you have a name? Yeah, do you have a name? How old are you? Do you know how old you are? And where'd you come from? Don't you have a home?